Right, this is just a little quick exercise to do isometric drawings. Now, specify that this is a third angle. So, knowing that it is third angle, you should know that this is your top view. Right, it's my top view, my front view, and my right view. Right. This you should know. Right. Now, in connection with what we spoke about in the previous one, knowing that this is there, we would know our right view goes on the right hand side, so this one would go on the right hand side of my block, front here, and on my top. Now, I encourage students to always quickly do a freehand drawing of an isometric drawing, just to see and get your placement ready. So, knowing this, we need to see, right, if I quickly make a little block, okay, there's my block, I can see my right view is not as wide as it should be, or as the front, so there's my right. My front view is a little further, and the top is very narrow as it is with the right. So by doing this quickly, I've got an idea, and I can start my planning. Right, but now we want to put this into a neat freehand or isometric drawing. So I haven't got any measurements on, and if you want to duplicate this, you can just basically take your own measurements, but just make sure your views are the same scale and dimensions go around same. So we know that our front view should belong here, right? So I will put a little arrow indicating that this would be my front view. We would know that this side will be our right view, and way on top will be our top view. Okay. And then just little tips to help. Right, so on the left side, on the front view side, I'm just going to use my compass to quickly duplicate those measurements. So this, my front view, would be going on this side, right? And my right view, that dimension, goes on my right side, because that's my right view. Now, everything in isometric I always base inside the space, the total space that it occupies. So I would use the maximum heights that it's got. Right? So on the right view, that dimension, I'm just going to draw a line up. That middle section, I'm going to draw a line up. And on this section at the left, just draw a line up. Now, on which one of my views can I see the total height? Correct. Only on my front and on my right view. I cannot see how tall something is if I look at it from the top. So I have to look at it from the front view. So I'm going to take my front view, because my front and my right should be the same height. So I'm going to take that dimension, and I just have to mark it off on one of those heights. And because everything in isometric is based in a 30-degree angle, that point I just duplicate to the left and to the right. Now I've got these 2 points. All I have to do is just take them in. That section, that section. Right, so if I just make my final line work dark, there we go. There's my two-dimensional orthographic drawing, which was in third angle, placed inside isometric space. Please practice this a lot. The more you practice it, the better you would get to understanding the layouts, and it will become a second nature. Alright, I hope you enjoyed.